All right, so today I got a product from a company called Wanzid, but we'll go ahead and open it up. I did cut it open previously. I'm expecting to see a quality product if it's going to back it up by 30 years. And when I got it originally, it was advertised as something that would be durable, something I can take with me. You know, if you travel a lot, it's good to have an Ethernet cable with you, just in case. Obviously, you want something that's going to be durable, because if you travel, you need something that's going to be rugged. All right. Yeah, this looks really nice. And they took the time to actually come with these plastics. So you don't see this much in Ethernet cables. In fact, I have an Ethernet laying around here that I brought out just to do a comparison. I mean, if you do anything with computer networking, you'll know what an Ethernet cable looks like normally. And you can tell that these are completely different, right? They both do the same thing essentially, but you can tell one of them is built better than the other. All right, so this one, obviously, this is like, I'll say it's a metal. It's like really, really rugged. The flap here doesn't look like it's gonna get stuck on anything. In fact, it's in here. I don't know if you can see it. So it's actually in there. So it's not gonna get caught on anything like something like this would. In fact, yeah, see, this one's already broken right here on this side, so it doesn't have it. There you go. And this is just your typical Ethernet cable, you know, very soft and flimsy. Things like that. Things like this is what the issue is, right? You bend this very easily, gets caught on something. Doesn't really come with like a sleeve to protect it. Some of them do, some of them don't, but this is like your typical cable, right? Also, this one you can just tell it's built really well. Let me take it out of here. Now, something this thick, I would imagine it's going to be more rigid, which for it being so short is fine. But you can see here, yeah, they did a really good job with this cable. Like I'm 100% confident that this would last you a long time. There's a reason why they put a 30-year warranty on it, right? They want it to last. They made it to last. It looks like here you can loosen it. Really nice. So this is a Cat 8 cable also. So if you're looking to future-proof, this is a great cable to have. Now the specs on this, I believe, are 40 gigabytes per second and the bandwidth about 2000 megahertz, which makes it a very fast cable. It will definitely be future-proofed. And if you're looking to do a lot of like transferring files within your own network, this is going to allow you to maximize that speed. A lot of people don't have an internet service or an internet provider that's going to be able to handle the full capacity of this. But if you are transferring files from one computer to another, this would be ideal to have. Okay, and the fact that it's rugged, it's obviously built very well. You know, this is going to last. You can throw it in your backpack and not worry about it. Very nice. Very impressed by this. It looks like it can take a beating. Like I'm not concerned at all about bending. I'm not hearing anything funny from it. Yeah, very good. Yeah. See here, it's Wanzid LAN cable Cat 8. So it's a 22 gauge. Wow. Yeah, it feels like it. It's 99.95%. This is the oxygen-free copper that they were talking about earlier. A very good cable. I'm impressed. I like it.